Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to define tolerance group in SAP, which is the mandatory setting. So go to SPRO. Okay, then go to financial accounting. First we will define the general ledger tolerance group. So click on general ledger accounting, business transaction, and then open item clearing difference. Define tolerance group for GL accounts. So select this, and we are going to create the blank tolerance group. So okay, let us select any tolerance group so that we can see the settings for that. For example, this one. Yeah, so we can copy with the reference of this. We can create our new tolerance group, and the tolerance group would be blank only, so we are not giving any T code or any code here in the tolerance group. We will just give the description and press enter. That's all. So let us save this. This is a required configuration setting if you want to post any GL transaction. Then we can define tolerance group for employees. That also we are going to define as blank tolerance group. Okay, let it be like this. I'll define it later. Now let us define tolerance group for accounts receivable and accounts payable. Go to business transaction, open item clearing difference. Define tolerance group for customer and suppliers. Here also we will just take a reference for any one which is with a blank group. So let us try this one. Copy as, and I'll just change the company code V001. Okay, apart from this we are not going to maintain any value here. Press enter and then save this. Now let me go back in the GL tolerance group. There also we want to define tolerance group for employees. Okay, so this is locked by somebody. Okay, let me clear this entry. So I go to SM12, as a 34. This was locked by as a 34, so let me remove that. And click on delete. Okay, so the screen was locked, so I have deleted that user from that screen. Now I should be able to define. Let me copy any reference. So here I will say company code V001, and rest other things I'm not going to change. Amount and all I'll keep the same only. These are just mandatory settings we need to do in the system. We may not use them for the whatever the amount we have specified, but these are the minimum settings we need to do. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This was just a small configuration. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.